back to my video. It's your girl Bree, and today we're going to be talking about the Jordan 4 Tech Gray, aka White Oreo. This shoe was set to release on May 29th, but they got pushed back to June 19th. So be looking out for these on June 19th. So we're going to unbox these and get straight into it. So I was able to get these super early, and now they super early since they got pushed back. Here go the Jordan 4 box. Let's check them out. Got my StockX receipt. These are cold. Bruh, these are fire, bruh. Dang. These are cool. I'm gonna let y'all check these out. So here they go. The details on this shoe is so clean to me. Like that gray against that white. And then the red hits, like you see the red Jumpman right there, and then the red Jumpman on the tongue. It's so fire to me. I love everything about this shoe, like the speckles. Y'all see the speckles in there? That's so clean to me. And then you got it on the waffles or whatever you call them. Bro. So another thing that I like about this shoe is the fact that the sock liner got that like silky type of material on it. So that way when you wear, you know, your socks or whatever, the lint not gonna stick to it as much. So that wraps up my review on these Tech Gray 4s, aka White Oreos. And if you like them, make sure to go after them when they release on June 19th. And yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all how they look on feet, and I'm out.